What's up, smart money gang? Hey, that's cool. Can I call y'all that? Can I call y'all the smart money gang? Because obviously y'all want to make smart money decisions, smart money investments, right? Look, I'm not a financial advisor though at all, guys. So, but I would like to look into that though. I ain't gonna lie. I think it take about like 5 to 7 years or something like that. But hey, I got nothing but time, right? I'll figure that out. But look, guys. Man, like, share, subscribe, man. We doing a PMA, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a taste of what I offer my members, guys. So I'm gonna like show you guys a pair. Now look, y'all know I keep it real with y'all. I keep it a buck. I don't really trade this pair, but I'm gonna break this pair down for you guys so that you guys can go in and see if you guys want to trade this pair or if you like this pair. To me, yen is tricky, man. Yen is tricky. But like I said, guys, I want to take this pair and tackle it with you guys, right? So I gotta be quick though, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time this video because I don't want the videos to be too long. Then you guys don't want to watch the videos because they're too long, absolutely boring. I just want to give you guys a quick markup, how I will mark up the charts and how I will analyze these charts, and then how I will try to base my trades off these charts, guys. So, would you want me to do that, right? Well, look, I'm gonna do that for you, but all I need you to do is just go ahead and share this. Go ahead and tell a friend, anybody that's interested, right? Go ahead, look at your boy. And if you want full details and one-on-one access with me, guys, guess what? It's going to be in the description below, right? The link tree is going to connect you to the tree, right? Then you're going to join the Smart Money family. And then we're going to be a family, right? Like that's what I'm trying to do, right? So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, guys. So we're gonna dive right to the screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set this timer so that we won't get too crazy, guys. Let's not get too crazy here. Let's not make this video boring. Let's not make this video crazy, right? Anyways, let's get right into it. What I want to do right now is basically find key levels, right? We already went over this, right? Because I already told you guys about key levels and things like that. It's no secret, right? Should nobody be charging you any amount of money just to tell you about key levels and things like that you can find on Baby Pips, right? So like I told you guys, babypips.com, I do not promote with them or anything like that. They don't give me money to tell them that. This is how I learn, guys. So go over there, graduate the course, and then come back over here and then let's learn these charts, right? So anyways, I'm gonna find these key levels, right? So I got this 80 cent level marked off, this 84 cent level knocked off, and this 88,000 level marked off. The reason why is because for my highest point, and I really don't really want to go back this far, but in 2001, the highest point was 88 cents. So if I go back and mark all the way up here for $1 and all that, that was all the way in, in September, right? I'm sorry, guys, not 2001. I'm so sorry, guys, but 2014. So I don't really want to go all the way back to 2014. And then right here, it's 2017 and 2018, which is too far back, but that's cool. That's my highest point. I just want my highest point. Then I want a middle point, right? And so this is resistance, right? So we already know about resistance and support and all that. I told you guys about that. We know about Rick rejections. We know about all that. So that's what we'll do. We'll put it at resistance, or we'll put it where it was supported in resistance, or we'll put it at support, right? Supported areas, guys. So we know this already. Anyways, right, back to the point. So we already know why we putting the key levels there. The reason why I put them there is because in the past, which is going to determine some of the things that's happening in the future, that's why I put those areas there, and I'm okay with those areas because price is ranging around that area. So it closed above my 84,000 area, so that's cool, guys. So another tool I'm gonna give you guys, and another secret sauce, because I love you guys, is you can measure it and see how many pips it is in between these areas, so that you'll know how many pips you will be able to get and calculate, guys. So that's 400 here. And then we can go up here, obviously, 84 to 88 is another 400 pips, guys. So boom, as we see now, we in a big field right here. We got 400 pips we can possibly get. If this price stay above this 84,000 level, maybe price will go to this 88,000 level. We don't know, but let's break it down even more further than that, guys. So now we got our main key levels here, and this is just me personally, how I would go through, and this is how I would trade, guys. So we got our key levels here. We got our key levels here. And now, okay, we have, our monthly key levels. Now we need to find some weekly key levels, right? So we can find some weekly zones, right? So all this happened in 2020. All this happened in 2020 right here. So we can just mark the lowest point and the highest point, right? And that's just basically like our own RSI or stochastics, right? So basically, this is just like our own RSI or our own stochastics, guys. So now we get a top level, right? So we got a top level right here, which is here. And then we can go here, go to settings, and then you should already have your settings and everything and saved as and everything. Me personally, I like to use templates because it's easier for me, quicker for me to access it, and then boom, I can show what I'm trying to do. So now we can put a sell point here, right? I'm just making my own, I'm just making my own RSI or stochastics. Okay, guys. So now, boom, we got that right there. We have our sell point, and then we can put a buying point here, right? So we'll put the buying point here. Go to settings. I'm just trying to hurry up and blow through this, guys, just so if you want any additional help, you guys already know what to do, man. And then I can go into full detail one-on-one, guys. So we'll do our buying point here. So me personally, I like to round these numbers off to something even. So 140, that's cool. It's an even number for me. And then I can do this one to 470 if I wanted to, just to make it an even number, guys, or a number with a zero on it, so it can make sense, right? Because that's what banks like to trade. That psychological number, them zeros, means something to the banks, or means something to me personally, or it means something to price, right? So as you see, we got a buying point here, we got a sell point here. So that's what I would do. I would always go through and mark off my higher lows, lower highs, right? And also, we already know about different types of shapes and patterns and things like that. So also I would have been trying to look for a pattern. So I'm sorry, I skipped that. I would have tried to look for a pattern on the monthly, which, like I said, as you see, JPY yen moves so funny. Anyway, so I would, oh, sorry about that. So monthly, I don't see a real good pattern. I don't want to force anything here. Like I told you, 2 or more hits is a trend. So we got a hit here 1, we got here 2. So then now we can put this here, and then that will be about it for me on the weekly. That's how I would do that though, right here, because we got 1 hit here, 1 hit here, right here, hit here, right. So boom, I would drop down. Also the daily, I will come to the daily, see what the daily is doing for me. So me personally, boom, I would mark up the daily like that, probably. I would do it all the way up to this point right here. And that's just my trend line for the daily, what I'm seeing on the daily line right here. So boom, I got to hit here, touch here, check that up a little bit. Boom, 1 hit here, 1 hit here, 1 hit here. All right, so this is what I see on the daily. Then I would drop down, and all these lines are support, 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 right? We don't know about resistance yet. Our resistance line is this 85, 140 area. So we got our resistance. So now, boom, that's what I would do. Then I would drop down to this 4 hour, right? I would drop down to this 4 hour, guys. And then this is where I will be trying to make my bias at, right around this 4 hour area. So we see price starting to drop through our supported areas, dropping through our supported areas. Now we might get this retracement back here, and then we might get another drop back down to this 84-cent level. It looks like it's been holding support at this main key level, this 84-cent level, because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 30, 45, 100 million touches there. No, I'm just joking, but yeah. So it's looking like that's what it's looking like, and it's giving us a story that okay, we got engulfing Maribosa. This can be Haramni, so we got to be patient here. But yeah, this is what I would do. I would mark off these areas right here, resistance areas, and then I will mark off me some more support areas right here. So what I would start doing is I would take my, which we already talked about, guys. So go here, settings, right? And then me, I call them personally. I will put my sell limit here, right here, because I just want to look at structure, guys. So I'm only looking for structure right now at this point, right? So I'm looking at my highest point, and then my lowest point, right? And I'm confirming, okay, is we making higher highs or higher lows, right? So now my buy point or buy limits. So it's like a more, line that is not in the way, guys. So we know all this is structure, and now we're starting to break structure. We were at these highs up here. Now we got another confirmed lower high. So that's what I will be doing, looking for structure. So now I got my structure here on the 4 hour. And then this would be areas where I would, if I would try to go in for the sell, I would be aiming targeting here or here. If I was going for the buy, I'd be targeting here, here, or this level up here, right? But Like I said, I'm looking at this level for resistance as for now. Then I can drop down to the 1 hour, all depending on what hour or time frame you guys want to trade off of. I will mark up my levels, but me personally, this is how I go in for my sniper entries, my sniper kills. I will get into more detail here. I will get into more detail here, and then I will come here, and then now seeing that, okay, we are above support and we're finding support, I will mark off all my supported areas or my higher highs and higher lows. And then boom, now I'm ready to trade, guys. So basically, if I'm seeing price gaining more support, then I'm looking for an uptrend, right? Then I'm gonna be looking to get out here. And then if not, I'm gonna be looking for if price failed to get past this resistance now at this point, because it was support, now it fell through and became resistance. So if we come back up to here and fail to break through here, then I'm gonna be looking solely for sales, and I'm gonna be looking to target this area, this area, this area, or this area, guys. And so now I'm ready. So now you guys should be ready. And like I said, guys, if you really want to go into full detail and learn, under my mentorship, you feel like, hey, you like to trade like that, or you would like to trade like that, or you would like to learn in depth how to trade like that to be consistent. When we have more time to be able to interact and to be able to, come up with some type of psychology and trading plan for you, some type of risk reward and some type of management plan for you guys, then you already know what to do, man. The link will be in the description below, man. You already know, man. This is all love, and this is all reality, guys. So I just took a pair that I really do not trade, and then I basically showed you guys how I would have been trying to enter into my trades, how I would have got into my trades. And the same thing applied for here. So if we missed this entry to here, then of course we could have waited. Once we confirm, guys. Once we confirm, all right, that's my cue, guys. But once we confirm this last low, right? So this was a lower high, right? Once we confirm that, we knew, okay, boom, safe to say, downtrend, engulfing, enter, right? And then now we got these levels marked up, probably from the past or whatever. We can say, okay, boom. From here, we're gonna take it down to here. All right, guys. So, man, y'all already know what time it is, man. SMSFX, man. Y'all want to go into full mentorship, and then y'all want to learn, follow everything free. I got a free Discord. I got a link tree that's going to take you to everything that I got free OnlyFans, everything. So, guys, you better get it in there, man. My social media, come on there, man. Ask questions, frequently ask questions. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you guys. So I don't want to just take your money, guys. Come talk to me for free on all my social medias. Comment, tell me anything you want to see next, videos you want to see next. Comment down here. YouTube, let's get it, gang. Let's go, man. I know what time it is.